All right, we have officially just sold our house. It's time to remove the sign. Let me show you around before the new buyers move in and show you some stuff you can do to get the top dollar, few upgrades that we did. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, starting with these modern lights. It's so easy to do. Under $100 each, real quick. It's only 2 lights, but then the buyers pull up when they want to look like this one. I'm talking about that modern look. And we just swapped out the lights out front. That was it. Let's go.
Hey guys, come on in. All right. So one of our favorite parts of this house, or definitely the favorite part, are these vaulted ceilings and this open floor plan. Now we spent a lot of hangout time here, but now let's get to what we did to really get this house sell ready.
The funny thing is, everything we did is what we always talked about doing for the last 5 years. We just never did it. So then the 2 weeks before we went live with the listing, we got it all done and it helped.
Now the number one thing that I think really transforms a space and is somewhat affordable is a linear fireplace. Now depending on the size, like this one for example, total with the fireplace, with the tile work, cost us about $2,000. Now $2,000 completely transformed this living room and made it seem like a modern, high-end living room with just a little addition.
Another crucial upgrade was this backsplash, this real marble backsplash. Can you feel it? No, I mean, can you like feel it? It does feel good though too. But seriously, we had a peel and stick thing. It was fun. It was a DIY project, you know, Natalia, pink colors and everything. But we were listening like, no, these few things, the fireplace, they're gonna come in and already feel that it was a newly renovated, modern, upgraded home. Yes, this was the stew right here. Stew vibes were lit. I mean, hits like the quarantine banger Stuck was recorded right here. Check out the music video out now. So basically what I had to do is just take down all my personal stuff. It was hard to do, but someone coming in, they have to visualize what they're gonna use it for. They can't think this is somebody's studio. It could be their podcast, it could be a whole bedroom, it could be anything. So I myself did all the touch-up paint, got all the foam and soundproofing down. Now it's ready to go. But another thing, a lot of people at this price point were looking for at least 3-car garages. Now this was the 3rd-car tandem garage, but we decided to make it a flex space for the studio when we built the house. But then we were thinking, wait, wasn't this an upgrade? So we had to change the description. 3-car garage with the tandem garage upgraded to a flex space with AC, flooring, and everything. So then when people are looking, they're like, wait, was this one of the bedrooms? And we're like, oh no, this is a whole extra room. And then it was like an upgrade looking instead of like, oh, but I needed that 3rd garage. Just a helpful tip.
So if you notice, there are no personal items anywhere in the house. No family photos, no little knickknacks. And we have to tell our sellers all the time that the best way to sell a home is to really declutter and let the buyers visualize their own things in the home. Now this wasn't easy when we did it ourselves, but I do think it's a huge difference when selling your home.
Now this is a great tip for smaller yards to look spacious, especially when you have a retaining wall. So we painted this dark charcoal gray. You know, satin black is what it's called exactly. And what it did, it like extends the yard, because before the yard like stopped here, but when it was that color. But now it's this, your mind just opens up to that, and this is just a little cool design part of it, so like it extended the whole backyard.
Yeah, now instead of just like an ugly retaining wall, it actually looks like a really cool modern planter, like a super giant modern planter.
Yeah, like we did it on purpose or something. And another thing out here, what we did, so we didn't have this new furniture out here, and it also, since we don't have a pool, it made it look like a lot deeper. But we were like, wait, we're gonna need furniture for the new house, so why don't we just get it new and it'll look like staging furniture here. And it worked perfectly.
Yeah, definitely. It separated the different spaces of the yard, gave individual areas to hang out, and really made people visualize like using this space.
And this playground over here, this was Gav's, but luckily the buyers have a young son moving in too, so they wanted to keep a playground. So we love that when someone wants to use something and we don't have to move it.
Now another thing that really transforms a home and is really quick to do as an upgrade before listing is a design or accent wall. Now not only is it a super trendy topic right now, but it completely transforms the space. And as far as the photos go, it just completely livens them and gives the whole room dimension and character. And I know this is a huge selling point for buyers. So when thinking about what to do to upgrade your home, for just around $1,500, you can add a nice design wall, deco wall, get creative with it.
And we can't take this mountain for granite. You know, we called it Mount Gab for obvious reasons, but it's just so beautiful to look at in the morning. And it was our first time having no rear neighbors.
We love that.
Yeah, mountain lot, so we love it, and we know our new buyers will too.
So this cute home was located in the Cove in Southern Highlands. It's 3,500 square feet, 4-bedroom, 4-bath, plus we had a studio, an office space, a little area by the kitchen that we made into Gab's playroom. We loved the vaulted ceilings, the open floor plan. It had a community pool. I mean, this home really had all the things that a family could want.
Oh, so many great memories, so many great Christmases, some of Gab's first Christmases. He's 6 now. He was just turning 1 when we moved in here. We picked everything out ourselves, designed it ourselves. And I guess we made a really great decision because we're taking a lot of equity and rolling it over to our next house.
Which that is the best part of home ownership, is not only do you not have to pay someone else's rent, but as your home appreciates, you have the opportunity to take that money and use it as a down payment for your next upgrade. Thanks for joining us, guys.
See you at our next house.
This time we're doing the upgrades right when we move in.
A good idea.